Today we are talking about the principle and how to handle autoclave machine for the sterilization. An object putting inside the chamber where the vapor pressure is more because the water converted to vapor, and that pressure falling into the object and will kill the microorganism by penetrating inside the cell and destroying the cell by the structure and penetrate. Now object finally free of microorganisms. Then switch on the main power button. After switching on, open the vial by the rotating the handle. This is the container which we can place the object. Most important parameter is water leveling. We can fill the water above the container lid. It always below the container. After water balancing, put the object inside which we can sterilize. Most ensure objects are below the rubber lid. It is similar to the pressure cooker principle. Always wear a lab coat, heat resistant glove and safety glasses are most ensure. Do not autoclave flammable, combustible, reactive, corrosive, toxic or radioactive material. Check that plastic are compatible with the autoclave. After that, close the vial by rotating the handle by anti-clockwise direction. Make it tightly so that the pressure cannot leak outside. After locking, set the pressure. After locking tightly, it is time to set the pressure. Initially, pressure gradually increases with the temperature. We always set 15 degree lbs pressure and 120 degree pressure. This is the pressure parameter. Check the pressure gauge to ensure the pressure is at 0 psi before opening the door. This is the pressure release outlet. Now note the initial time after 1 hour. Now it is temperature increases to 120 degrees Celsius. So and pressure will increases to 20 psi. Now it time to release the pressure. Switch off the autoclave main power button. After that, release the pressure slowly. The pressure parameter gradually decreases to the 0 psi. Now it's time to opening the container by rotating it clockwise. Once open, take all the sterilized objects slowly with hand glove. After taking all, close the container. Without releasing inside pressure cannot open the container. It can harm your body. Close the vial by the rotating clockwise. Finally, there are the final sterilized objects. Now you can use it to biological work. Thank you. I hope this video helpful you. Like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.